I don't believe that it will pay anything close to what people would get through the litigation process, but I want to take head on their assertion that it will be a faster payout. There are really two facets to SCE's program. The first is a detailed review. They admit by the terms of their own protocol that a detailed review will take 9 months before you will receive a valuation of your case in their sole discretion, and that it will take another 30 to 60 days for the production, the execution, and the payment under a settlement agreement that they haven't bothered to share with any of the victims. No one knows the terms of that agreement. So between this 9 months and this 30 to 60 days, you could count on 11 months for the review and payment. But hold on, folks. Buried in the fine print is this term, substantial completion. Now, this is something that Bridgford, Gleason, and Artinian has significant experience with, having done close to 12,000 of these claims. SCE will never mediate with us, even under a negotiated protocol, and definitely not under their self-administered plan, until you have met what in their sole discretion is entitled a substantial completion of all the evidence, all the documents, and all the facts they need to make their determination. What I'm saying is that the 9 months for review and the 30 to 60 days to negotiate the settlement and the actual payment don't even begin to run until they, in their sole discretion, tell you you have substantially completed the requests. Now, why is that important? That it could take a year or longer for you to obtain a review? Because we have already obtained a January 2027 trial date. This is roughly 13 months away at this point. And why is that important? Because it is a trial date that forces a culpable defendant to settle claims reasonably. You've all seen the same video evidence that we have of the ignition of the fire directly beneath their lines from the ARCO station. SCE is scared to death that a jury of homeowners and renters will ever see that video in a court of law. Now, how long does it take to prepare for a January 2027 trial? At least 6 to 12 months. So my prediction is they will come to us and request a negotiated mediation protocol as they have before in the Creek Fire, in the Coastal Fire, in the Thomas Fire, the Woolsey Fire. They will come to us. The second facet of their plan is what they call their fast pay, where they promise that they can pay you within 90 days. But within 90 days of what? Once again, buried in the fine print is this doctrine that they alone will interpret, called substantial completion. Until you have substantially completed all of their requests for documentation, narratives, and information, the 90 days doesn't begin to run. So now we're talking somewhere between 5 and 12 months, depending upon how much time you have to satisfy their whims and how unreasonable they are in making their requests. I would anticipate that they will be coming to us no later than 6 to 7 months at the latest, because they have a trial date 13 months from now. They do not have the resources and the time to both prepare for trial, where they would lose, and to mediate and get these cases resolved. So what do we need? We need the community to hang tough, stick together, and force SCE to do what they've done in every other case, and that is to adopt a reasonable protocol where your advocates can maximize your recovery.